Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel and just a very short video to answer the most common question na nare-receive ko about working from home as a VA. Some of our viewers are actually asking kung kailangan ba na may BPO experience para ma-qualify na mag-work as a VA. The answer is no. Okay? It's just an advantage. Kasi if you had a BPO experience, so ibig sabihin call center experience, meron ka na experience to talk and to speak with different kinds of clients from abroad, from different countries too. So, ibig sabihin, nakikipag-usap tayo with them using the English language. And having excellent communication skills is one of the most common requirements of clients sa paghahanap ng VA nila. Ibig sabihin, we should know how to communicate using the universal language, which is English. Kailangan na alam natin kung paano i-express yung sarili natin through English using, of course, the correct pronunciation, correct grammar, and the correct intonation. Kasi we are dealing with clients or customers from other countries. So for example, na-hire ka as a VA ng isang client, kailangan mong makipag-usap with your client or with your client's customers. There is a big chance or a high chance na kakausapin mo sila, especially if you're an appointment setter, you have to call them. Kukall mo sila, so kakausapin mo sila via phone, hindi lang siya chat-chat lang. So many VA jobs require excellent communication skills kasi meron kang tasks na kailangan mong kumausap ng mga customers nila via phone or online, ganyan. So pwedeng via Skype or Zoom, diba? That's why it's an advantage. But it doesn't mean na you have to have a BPO experience to apply as a VA. Advantage lang po yun. But of course, we have to practice our communication skills. That's one of the things na kailangan nating paghandaan kasi we will have our interviews. If you are applying as a VA, you have to know how to sell yourself confidently using the English language. Again, hindi mo kailangang magkaroon ng American accent or kung anong accent dyan, as long as you know how to express yourself confidently and fluently. Hindi pwedeng nag-stutter tayo, hindi pwedeng pa-stop-stop tayo. So that's already an indication na you're not yet confident about the things that you're telling your client or your interviewer. So, pwede rin yun yung maging ground na hindi ka matanggap. So, we have to practice our English communication skills, especially if you're going to apply as an appointment setter and as a customer service representative sa mga clients natin. So, thank you. I hope I answered the question. See you next time. Bye!